Rockets Kid TV.
Know your ABC. Hello children. Today we will learn to recognize letter G. So sound of letter G is G. G. G for girl. G for goat. Now children, can you see the capital letter G here? Come, let's take it together. Yes, that's right. One more time. Can you find the capital letter G and take it with me? Correct. Very good. Now, last time. Can you find capital letter G? Now take it. Hey. Very good. Well done. Now children, are you able to find small g? Come, let's stick it together. Yes, that's right. One more time. Can you find small g and tick it with me? Wow, great. Correct. Now last time. Can you find it? Let's tick it. Yes, that's right. Very well done. Good job. Now children, can you spot the letter G in this box? Come, let's tick it. Yes, that's right. Can you see? Few more G's? Yes. Now tick it one more, I can see. Can you find it? Yes, that's right. Correct. Good job. Can you spot the capital G here in this box? Come, let's tick it together. Yes, that's right. One more J is there. Can you find it? Yes. I can see few more are there. Yes, right. The last one? Yes, that's good. Very well done. Good job. Now children, we will take the picture which starts with letter G. Can you find it? Come, let's find and tick together. Yes, that's right. G for giraffe. Can you find G in second picture? Let's tick it together. Yes, that's right. G for goose. Last one. Can you find G in third picture? Yes. G for grape. Okay children. Now let's spell the word that starts with letter G. Nom. Giraffe. Golf. Gingerbread. Garlic. Goat. Grasshopper. Gorilla. Glass. Globe. Glove. Guitar. Gift. Glasses. Grape. Well done kids. Good job. Bye.
Like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.